Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and today we're going to be talking about Nikola Motors. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be talking about Nikola Motors. If you guys don't know what Nikola Motors is an EV company that produces specifically large battery-powered semi-trucks. So taking a look at the 5-year chart, guys, obviously Nikola Motors is a brand new company, IPOing June 3rd of 2020. And obviously you see this huge spike, stock almost running to about $100, and it's kind of been on the steady decline since. And a lot of people are wondering, should I invest in Nikola Motors? Me personally, I think you should invest in Nikola Motors. Obviously, everything I say on my channel is not financial advice, guys. It's just my personal recommendation. But the reason why I feel like Nikola Motors is a very good company to actually pick up now is because the idea of battery-powered full semi-trucks is an absolutely brilliant idea. If you guys don't know, a lot of big, huge corporations use large gas-powered semi-trucks to transport goods all over the world. You have to understand from a corporate standpoint, when these trucks get on the road, these large semi-trucks that are battery-powered, these corporations are going to be eating up like crazy just because it can save them so much more money. So looking at that, like the idea of large semi-trucks in itself is a very good idea. CEO being Trevor Milton, he's a good CEO. He talks up his company a lot, and you know, he definitely calms his investors and assures them that the company is going to get going. Me personally, I like the idea and the vision of Nikola Motors. I think it's a very good one. And I think the product, never been done before. No one has a large battery-powered semi-truck on the road right now. So I think this is a very good idea. I think the biggest, most skeptical thing with Nikola Motors is they actually don't have a actual product. They've never sold anything in their life, and their market cap is currently sitting at $13.74 billion. And the biggest thing with that is, how is a market cap so big when it doesn't even sell anything? It doesn't have a running factory, and you know, no one even knows when they're actually going to get things on the road. So it's kind of led to the steady decline of Nikola Motors. Even analyzing the last week, you know, it's down 13.39%, and even the last month, it's still up 1%, but it's not having that steady growth like these other EV companies are. Taking a look at like Hyliion or Tesla or even NIO have had a lot more growth than Nikola Motors has in the past couple of weeks. They've been getting a lot more attention, and I think it's actually due to the actual expansion of those companies. They're actually getting things on the road, while Nikola Motors currently is a little bit lackluster on actually letting people know when they're actually going to be dropping their first vehicle. If you guys don't know, Nikola Motors actually does have the Badger truck. It's an electric truck, and it's actually a very nice looking truck. I like the way it looks and stuff like that, but it's more about actually getting the cars produced and actually selling the Badger itself. I know that they had reservations for the Badger, and I know that they weren't as high as people expected, which kind of led to the steady decline of the stock. But overall, the reason I rate Nikola Motors as a buy is because the idea is there, and I know once they actually have things going on the road, that this company is going to blow up like crazy. I could see this stock potentially growing to be a lot bigger of a company, just because EV cars have already been replicated. So going on forward, there's not really much more you can elevate except features at this point. They already have fast and luxurious EV cars. They have regular EV cars and stuff like that. This is the future. It's battery-powered trucks, and it's going to be a huge market. I know Tesla wants a piece, and I know Hyliion as well, and Nikola. It's going to be very, very interesting to actually see which company reigns up on top, but I'm betting that Nikola Motors is actually going to put up a hell of a fight, and I actually think Nikola Motors is going to be doing very, very well in the coming years. Just because, like I said, the demand is there, the product is very, very good. There's no reason why Nikola Motors shouldn't seize the opportunity and start growing from here. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Please leave a like on the video below, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of Nikola Motors. Do you think Nikola Motors does have a bright future? Or do you think Nikola Motors are going to be shut out by Tesla and Hyliion? Thank you, guys. Have a great day.